looks bad. So the story was while I'm cruising on the highway, there's a sign on the road hit my car, and it makes a very bad damage on the front of my hood. It's a little bit noisy down here, so I will talk with you guys up on my apartment. Alright, let's go. Hey, what's up? That was a pretty long run. Anyway, the problem is this is a nice apartment, but with that crazy sound like tee all the time, that pissed me off. Anyway, let's get into the problem. Alright, how you guys doing so far? This is the end of the weekend. So with the problem, for me, when I tell my boss the story, he asked me to call the cops and like pull over, slow down, call the cops, and they will file a report for you, and the city will pay for it. But I didn't do that. That's my fault. But if you have the same situation, something that on the road in the public property that damage your property, you can call the cops or somebody to file the claim, and they would like to pay for their faults. The second thing is, if you're on the highway, the car in front of you that put up the rocks and stuff like that and damage your windshield, that also you can call the cops and ask the person to pull over to pay for your windshield, your damaged windshield as well. The third thing is, what if you are inside a private property? In a private property, if the person who damaged your car or your property is still there, you can hold them back and ask the cop to come over if the damage is over $5,000. But if it's under $5,000, the cops, they won't show up. In that case, you have to call the your insurance policy. Your insurance company, and they will ask the other person to put down their policy number, and they will pay for your damage in the private property like Burger King, Whataburger parking lot, or something like that. That will be all for today. I hope that you guys can learn something and you can apply it in the future so you won't spend the money out of your bucket. Unfortunately for me, I didn't do that. That's my fault. But in the future, yeah, I will. So yeah, have you guys have a good weekend and a happy holiday. How many days? 6 more days until Christmas. Happy holidays, all you guys. Stay safe. Wear your mask. All right?